And if you watched the last video, you'll see that we have a never-ending saga of replacing parts that either move around the death wobble or change its characteristics a little bit. And this one we're going to do a lower control arm replacement because they do seem to have some movement in them that I don't like. In this part right here, you can see the old arm we're getting ready to take off. We're going to clean the threads off the bolts on both ends. I'm just shortening it up a little bit here and just show you what we're doing to the one bolt. We did all four of them this way, the two on the passenger side and two on the driver's side. Just scrape all that crud off of them, get the crud off of the nuts as best you can. Makes the socket fit on there a lot better, and or make the socket fit at all if you have a whole lot of crud on it. And that's what we're doing now, is getting the bolt out. And that electric impact did not quite have enough power, so we had to switch over to air. We put the air on it, and it's one of the Thunder, I think they got it Harbor Freight. It was one of their expensive Harbor Freight.
There we go.
It pulled it off pretty good. You see right here, it pulled it out. So I'm gonna pull the bolt out. It came out easier than I thought it would. And there it is on the ground. So we got the bolts out of it. Now we're gonna clean it up. Got a little bit of rust, mostly surface rust. We're going to clean all that crap off with a die grinder and some Scotch-Brite pads and get that rust off before we spray it with the bed liner. It's a spray-on bed liner. It's Herculiner. I'm really impressed with this stuff. If you get a really good clean surface and a sanded surface, it'll last for a really long time, and you can actually spray over it as it gets dirty. Just pressure wash a little bit and spray over it again with some black paint or something. It'll usually good to go. You don't have to roll it on or anything. It's the toughest spray that I've ever used, but I've not used it 2 different brands, so whatever that's worth.
Where's the nut?
We'll do the nuts last.
Okay.
This one may need some.
No, there we go.
There it is. You can see now how the bed liner spray worked, and that's the brand name. It's Herculiner. Works pretty good, and it makes the whole underside of the truck look fairly new.
Okay, so about 2 days after I posted my previous video, it started to death wobble at exactly 51 miles an hour, just immediate death wobble. So after replacing the lower control arms, it makes it drive a little bit better, but in the end I'm probably going to make another video next week how to fix my death wobble part 4. Let's see if I can make it do it again. Okay. But it's probably going to start. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
Right here in this video, you can see the steering box. This is where the idler arm bolts to it.
A little faster.
And the shaft coming out of the steering box it's pretty loose. It's not leaking necessarily. It's got some seepage from it, but I wouldn't call it a leak. But it needs to be done, and I'll probably just order a new one from Rock Auto and replace that. It's not really the cause of the death wobble, but it's not helping any either.
All right.